Very few members are joined. Don't know what is the reason. Students, please open objective materials. Level 1 questions, you will check once. Students, level 1 questions. Chemical stoichiometry and volumetric analysis. In chemical stoichiometry and volumetric analysis, almost all questions completed. The last questions are there na? Page number 20, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That questions are related to concentrations of solutions. That concept is not yet completed. That is the last concept in this some basic concepts of chemistry in it. Okay, now students. So that's why no need to worry about 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That 5 questions I will discuss in the class. So same questions. Okay, na? So without that molality, mole fraction, we can't calculate. So that's why later we will discuss about that. Next, please open level 2 questions. In level 2 questions also, we will discuss some questions. Say for example, question number 45, page number 29. Please open this material. Question number 45, page number 29. Question number 45, page number 29. Question number 45, page number 29. Please observe the question. Air contains 20% oxygen by volume. How much volume of air will be required for the oxidation of 100 cc, means 100 ml of acetylene? First we have to write the reaction. Acetylene C2H2. C2H2 plus O2. What are the products, students? What are the products we will get?
CO2 plus H2O.
This is a combustion
CO2
reaction.
plus
You will get CO2 plus H2O. Okay. Please balance this reaction. 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 2 carbons, 2 carbons. Now here how many hydrogens we have? Sorry, how many oxygens we have? 2 into 2.
5.
4 plus 1, 5. So here O2 is there. How to write 5 oxygens? Very simple. Please write 5 by 2. Why? Because this 2 cancel, then you will get how many oxygens?
5.
5 only na. So
Yes.
otherwise, if you want a complete equation, we can write like this. Here we have to double all. So 5 by 2 means 2.5 na.
Yes, sir.
5 by 2 means 2.5. So 2.5 double 5.
5.
Here how many moles of C2H2 I have? 1 mole.
1.
Please take 2 moles. 2 C2H2 plus 5 O2 gives rise 4 CO2 plus 2 H2O. So this is the balanced reaction. Please observe now 4 carbons, 4 carbons, 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens, 10 oxygens, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 oxygens. You can write any one of the equation. Okay? According to this equation, how many volumes, that is how many moles of C2H2 we have? How many moles of C2H2 we have?
2 moles.
2 moles.
2 moles.
2 moles are 2 ml. 2 cc. This is how many moles I have? 5 cc. Okay, na? This is 2 ml. This is 5 ml with respect to volume. Next, if you take 100, Why? Because in question 100 cc given. If you take 100 cc, how much water we required? 100. This is x mark. 100 into 5 divided by 2. So 250 jar. How much?
250.
250.
250.
cc. 250 cc water required. But in the question, what he given? Please observe. In the question, he given air contains. What is the question mark? Air
20% of
20%
oxygen.
20% by volume. So what is the meaning of 20% by volume? Very
20
simple.
grams.
Very good. With respect to grams means 20 grams. With respect to ml means if you take 100 ml, 20 ml oxygen is present. That is the meaning of 20%. 50% means
50 ml.
50 ml.
present in 100 ml. Okay, na? Like that. Air contains 20% by volume of oxygen. What is the meaning of that? 20 ml of oxygen is present in 100 ml of air.
Air.
Because air is a mixture of gases, na? So in the
Yes, sir.
air, what is the percentage of oxygen? Approximately 21%. He is telling 20%. So that's why I want 250 ml of oxygen, but 100 ml of air gives only 20 ml of oxygen. This is from the question mark. 100 ml of air gives only 20 ml of oxygen. But I want how much oxygen?
250 ml.
250 ml of oxygen I want. How much air I have to take? So he is in question asking how much amount of air is required. So that's why 250 into 100 divided by 20. 250 into 5.
1250, sir.
1250 ml air required. 1250 ml air is required. So that is the answer. That is 1250 cc.
Sir, 37th one.
37th question, no? You want
Yes, sir.
37th one you want I will explain, no problem. But you have to understand. Why? Because it is an interlinked question.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
I will explain, no problem. But you have to understand. Much basics will be required for that to solve. Students completed. Please try to understand the problem. That is also I will explain. 37th one also I will explain. No need to worry. 39 also I will explain. Don't worry about it. Say completed or not.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
So for tomorrow's examination, empirical formula, molecular formula, stoichiometric calculations also. Okay, na? Limiting reagent also you have to prepare.
Okay, sir.
Next question, question number 46. Please observe. And what is the possible reaction for that? Question number 46. How many ml of perhydral is required to produce sufficient oxygen which can be used to completely convert 2 liters of SO2 gas into SO3 gas? 2 liters of SO2 gas into SO3 gas. First, we have to write the reaction. SO2 plus O2 gives SO3. SO2 plus O2 gives SO3. Balance this reaction. If you write here 2 and write here 2, then how many sulfurs? 2 sulfurs, 2 sulfurs. How many oxygens? 4 plus 2, 6. 2 into 6. Balance ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆನಾ? According to equation, 2 liters of sulfur required, 1 liter of O2. 2 liters of sulfur required, 1 liter of O2. Alva? Here in the question, he given one new word, that is perhydral. Please remember, students, perhydral means 100 volumes of H2O2 is called perhydral. What is the meaning of perhydral? So this point you will get in hydrogen units. Perhydral means what? 100 volumes of H2O2 is called perhydral. What is the meaning of 100 volumes of H2O2? Very simple. 100 volumes of H2O2 means 1 ml of H2O2 gives 1 ml of H2O2 gives 100 ml of O2. 1 ml of H2O2 gives 100 ml of O2 is called perhydral. What is the meaning of perhydral? Perhydral means 100 volumes H2O2 is called perhydral. Please write somewhere. 100 volume H2O2 is called perhydral. This is one statement. Okay. What is the meaning of this perhydral? Very simple. 1 ml H2O2 gives 10 ml O2. 1 ml H2O2 gives 10 ml O2, or 10 ml O2 is given by 1 ml H2O2. But in the question, how many liters of oxygen I want?
1 liter.
1 liter. 1 liter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ml ಅಮ್ಮ? 1 liter 1000. So 1000 ml of O2. If you want, how much perhydral I have to take? How much perhydral I have to take? That is 1000 ml into 1 ml divided by 10 ml. So ml cancel. 10 ones are 10. 100 jar.
100 jar.
So that's why 100 volumes of H2O2 is required. Okay, 100 volumes of O2 we required. 100 volumes of O2 means 10 ml of H2O2 we required.
Yes.
Okay. Oxygen, sorry, to get 1000 ml of O2.
Sir, no, sir. Here 100 volume of H2O2 will give 10 ml, no, sir.
That again we have to take this statement. Okay, na? Here,
Sir.
if you want 1000 ml of O2, we require 100 ml H2O2. Alva, 100 ml H2O2 gives how much ml of O2?
10 ml.
10 ml. 1000 into 1 by 100. Wait. 100 ml, 100 volumes of H2O2 gives 100 ml H2O2 gives 100 ml O2. Sorry, 100 ml O2. 1 ml H2O2 gives 100 ml. 1 ml gives 10 ml. Perhydral means 1 minute, students. I think something getting wrong. parahedral. 100 volumes of H2O2 is called parahedral. If you want 1 liter of H2O, 1000 into 100. Actually, 10 ml or 10 volume of H2O2 means 1 ml H2O2 gives 10 ml oxygen. This is correct only. 1 ml H2O2 gives 10 ml oxygen. But parahedral given, parahedral means 100 volumes of H2O2 gives 1000 volumes of O2 only. Na?
Yes, sir.
Something I am getting wrong.
Sir, here in back they've given parahedral means 100 volume H2O2, 1 ml of H2O2 gives 100 ml of O2 on decomposition.
100 ml of H2O2, that is 100 volumes of H2O2. He's taken 1 ml of H2O2. 1 ml of H2O2 gives 100 ml. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Correct only. With respect to 100 volumes means we will get 1000 volume. With respect to 1 ml means we will get 100 ml only now.
Yes, sir.
100 volumes gives 1000. 100 8. 1 ml gives 1000 by 100 10. 100 volumes, that is 1 ml H2O2 gives 100 ml O2. Statement. Okay? 1 ml H2O2 gives 10 ml O2. That I wrote. But I want 1000 ml of O2. 1000 ml of O2 means how much H2O2 I have to take? 1000 by 100. 100 ml of O2 is given by
Sir, he has given 1 ml gives 100.
1 ml of H2O2 gives 100 ml O2. 1000 ml of O2 is given by how much H2O2? 1000 into 1 by 100. 1000 by 100 means
10.
so is there 10 answer?
Yes, sir. First option.
10% parahedral we required. That is 10 ml of H2O2 we required. Okay, na? This is important. 1 ml H2O2 with respect to parahedral. 1 ml H2O2 gives 1 liter gives 10 liters. Like that, 1 ml H2O2 gives 100 ml O2 parahedral. Okay, na? If you want 1000 ml, how much H2O2 we require? So 10 ml H2O2 we require. Okay, na? That is the answer. So please remember this statement. 100 volumes of H2O2 is called parahedral. Okay, na? 100 volumes of H2O2 is called parahedral. So if you take with respect to parahedral, 1 ml H2O2 gives 100 ml O2. It is a constant statement. 1 ml H2O2 gives 100 ml O2. 1 ml H2O2 gives 100 ml O2. But in the question, he given 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 ml. 1000 ml gives how much H2O2? So 1000 into 1 by 100. You will get 10 ml H2O2. This is the question. Okay? Please write down. Next, question number 37. You please observe. Question number 37. Question number 37. First, you calculate empirical formula. What is that empirical formula? C2H4 or C2H2 now? He given
C2H4, sir.
85% carbon, 14.29% hydrogen. Vapor density is 14. Vapor density means molecular weight 28 tane. C2H4 answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, molecular formula you have to calculate first. So that is C2H4. So C2A is equal to C2H4 now. So C2H4 structure is this is C2H4 react with Cl2 plus Cl2 slash H2O. Cl2 slash H2O means HOCl. Okay, na? HOCl. When it is react with KCl and question number 37. Okay, na? HOCl, you will get this is CH2 as it is, this is CH2 as it is. So HOCl is dissociated as OH minus plus Cl plus. So one side OH is attached, another side Cl is attached. This is B. This is A. Next, it is a further react with what? Further react with the KCl. So when it is react with the KCl, so this KCl is eliminated as a KCl. You will get in this place Cn. That is CH2, CH2, Cn you will get. This OH as it is. So this Cn undergoes a hydrolysis in the presence of H3O plus. Wherever Cn is there, when react with the H3O plus, that group is converted into COOH according to organic chemistry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Where is this answer? This is the answer.
Second option, sir. Second option.
Okay, like this will have to do. Next.
Sir, 42.
42. 42 ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ? Right?
Sir, they have given ratio.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 9%, 9 ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 1, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ 3.5. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? First do as it is. Oxygen we have to take. 42 only na? Sorry. Oxygen not required. You please do 9 to 1 to 3.5. 9 is to 1 is to 3.5. Carbon is to 9 by 12. 1 by 1. 3.5 by 14. Okay. 9 by 12, how much?
0.75.
Next, the 1 by 1 is 3.5 by 14. Estama?
0.25.
So, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ least number ಆದಮ್ಮ ಇದು
0.25.
0.75 by 0.25. ಎಷ್ಟು?
3.
ಇದು 3.
4.
ಇದು
4, 1.
ಇದು 1. C3H4n. ಇದೆಯಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Yes, sir. The second option.
C3H4n.
ಅದೇನಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Yes, sir. That answer.
ಮತ್ತೆ next. Still any doubts? Question number 39, very simple one. How many moles of compound given? 0. Very simple. 0.0835 contains 1 gram of hydrogen. If you take 1 mole of compound, how many moles of hydrogen? How many grams of hydrogen? 1 by 0.0835. Estapa. 1 by 0.08.
11.97 something.
How much? 0.0835 contains 1 gram. 0.835 moles contain 1 gram. 1 mole contains how much grams?
11.97.
11.97, 12.
11.97 ಅಂದ್ರೆ nearest number 12 ತಾನೆ?
Yes,
12.
sir.
So ಆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
Yes,
ಇದೆಯಾ?
sir. First option.
First
C6.
option.
Like that we have to do. Okay na? Next. The remaining questions are related to solutions. Even here, again, already these questions are in solutions unit also. Next, level 1 complete ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ questions? Please observe question number 55, page number 19. Question number 55, page number 19. What is the reaction? 2Al plus 6HCl gives 2Al plus 3 plus H2 na 6Cl minus plus H2 gas 3H2. This is the question. What is the data? Here ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು moles ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ? 6 volumes ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? 6 moles of HCl produces how many moles of H2? 3 into 22.4 liters of H2. ಓಕೆನಾ? If you want 11.2 liters H2, how many moles of HCl will required? 11.2 into 6 by 3 into 22.4. 1 jar, 2 jar, 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar, 3 3 1.
1.
So 6 moles give 3 into 22.4. If you want 11.2 liters, 1 mole of HCl will be required. The correct statement tane?
Yes, sir. First option.
First option is correct. Okay now. Next, 6 liters of HCl consumed for every 3 liters of H2O2. 3 liters of H2 produced. Question incorrect.
So that is wrong.
6 liters of HCl is consumed for every 3 liters H2. For every 3 liters H2 gas produced. Wait. Next, 33.6 liters of H2 is produced for every mole of Al that reacts. 2 Al gives how much? 2 Al gives 3 into 22.4 liters. 1 Al gives 3 into 22.4 by 2. That is this statement 1. So 2 Al gives 3 into 22.4.
22.4. How much Al will give? 33.6.
3.6
liters.
liters of hydrogen produces for every mole of air that reacts. If you take 1 mole, how much we will get? 1 into 3 into 22.4 by 2. 2 1 just 2, 11.2. How much? 33.6, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is correct. Next, 67.2 liters hydrogen at STP.
Sir, it is wrong, sir. The third one.
Why?
Because it's produced regardless of temperature and pressure. Here they have not given STP.
So regardless of temperature and pressure, every mole. Okay. Next, 67.4 2 liters of hydrogen at STP produced for every mole of air that reacts. Wrong, Alvaina? For every mole of
Sir,
air,
wrong.
we are getting 33.6 only now.
Yes, sir. That is wrong.
Third or fourth statement is wrong. 6 liters of HCl is consumed for every 3 liters of H2 produced. This is also correct. Na? 6 liters HCl is there. 55 question 1. Six liters of HCl is consumed for every 3 liters hydrogen produced. 6 gives 3 liters only na. So that is also correct. Wait 1 minute. Liters HCl is consumed for every 3 liters H2 produced. Okay, we will check later. Second statement is also correct according to my point of view. 6 3 is there now. 6 liters 3 liters. 1 liter means how many? 3 by 6. Direct question of that. The third fourth statement is wrong. Why? Because he did not mention the STP condition. So third fourth statement is wrong. Okay. Next, any questions? Have any doubts? This is completed, ma? What is that? 53 completed. 53, page number 19. No response.
Sir, can you explain that, sir?
What is the question?
A mixture of CaCl2 and NaCl.
Which question, boy?
53, sir.
Page number 19, I told you. Which question you are reading?
Page number 30.
Page number 30. That is related to not this question. That is related to atomic. That is concentration of solution. Okay. I am telling page number 19. Okay.
Sir, you write reaction, sir.
Ba, the mass of BaCO2 produced when excess CO2 is bubbled to solution of BaOH twice. BaOH twice plus CO2 gives BaCO3 plus H2O.
Yes, sir.
Reaction. 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 2 plus 2, 4 oxygens, 3 plus 1, 4. This 1 mole, this 1 mole, this 1 mole. Next. If you take 0.205 moles, ಇದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 0.205 moles ತಾನೆ?
0.205 moles.
Okay, 0.205 moles. But you given weight. If you know moles, we can calculate weight na. Number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Alva? Number of moles ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0.205. weight ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. gram molecular weight of BSCO3 ಎಷ್ಟು? Barium
3A atomic weight
137, I think. 137 or 136 is the total of BaCO3 197 molecular weight. The 197 of a molecular weight. X is equal to okay, no? You will get the answer.
sir, it is giving 40.385.
40.385. There are 40.5 hours. Round figure.
Yes, sir. Sir, it should have given 40.4, no, sir, round figure.
40.4 also given, huh?
No, sir, he should have given that now, sir.
I don't know why he given. For that, no answer. What is our duty to calculate that cell? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Why he given like that? How okay?
Yes, sir, 40.385.
Next. Clear? Still any doubts? Please check once. It's almost completed. Wait, this question you asked on the 53 question we have to try. Why? Because no molarity is given. Okay. 53 page number 31. Question page number 30. What is the question? A mixture of CaCl2 and NaCl. Weighs how much? 4.44 grams. Okay, 4.44 grams. Is treated with sodium carbonate solution to precipitate all the Ca+2 ions as calcium carbonate. Okay. The calcium carbonate so obtained is heated strongly to get 0.56 grams of CaO. The percentage of NaCl in the mixture is here. Please remember CaCl2 plus NaCl mixture. We won't get students Na2CO3 plus NaCl reaction. NaCl does not react with Na2CO3. Why? Because the two are salts only. But CaCl2 plus Na2CO3 displacement reaction is takes place. So how displacement reaction is takes place? CaCl2 plus Na2CO3 gives CaCO3 plus 2 NaCl. CaCO3 plus 2 NaCl. All carbon calcium carbonate is precipitated. This is reaction. Okay, na? What we know? CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. This is reaction of CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2.
Yes.
It is 100 grams. It is 56 grams. This molecular weight 100 apart. It is 56. But in the question, he is telling how much CaO?
0.56 grams of CO.
To get 0.56 grams, how much CaCO3 is required? 0.56 into excellent question.
100 by 56.
100 by 56. Very logical question. How much? 0.56 into 100 by 56.
1000.
Right. 0.56 by 56.
10.
10 into 100. 0.56 by 56. 0.1 tane.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then how we will get 1000?
No, sir. No, sir. Sorry.
Say correct answer.
Sir, 1.
1 gram.
Yes, sir. 1.
Sure, man.
Yes, sir. 1.
0.56 by 56 again. 1 gram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 gram you want. Okay, na? But here CaCl2 plus NaCl, how much we have? 4.4.
4.44.
Okay. In 4.4 minus 1, you will get 3.3. In 3.3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಪ್ಪ? 4.444 grams 100%. 4.44 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3.33. 3.33 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್? 3.33 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4.44 100%. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3.33 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್?
25.
Your marks 600. 600 marks ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100%. You got 500 marks. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್?
90.
ಆ ತರ 4.44 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100%. ಬಟ್ NaCl weight is 3.33. ಎಷ್ಟು? What is the percentage? What is the
75.
75% ತಾನೆ. So
Yes, sir.
75% NaCl ಇದೆ. Only 25% CaCl2 ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Once you check what I did, very simple. First CaCl2 plus NaCl mixture ಇದಮ್ಮ. ಅದಿರಲಿ. Next, he is telling when sodium carbonate react with CaCl2, we are getting precipitate. CaCO3 precipitate. Okay, na? How we will get CaO from CaCO3 by decomposition reaction. Okay, na? But in question he is telling 0.56 grams of CaO produced is telling. Actually, according to equation 100 grams gives 56 grams of CaO. 0.56 grams gives how much CaO? 1 gram. So in 1 gram only required. So 1 gram means total weight is 4.44. Na? In 4.44, the weight of CaCl2 is 1 gram. Remaining, this is only na. The remaining is this one, 3.33. So 3.33 means what is the percentage? Clear? So
Yes, sir.
75% is the answer. Okay. Still any doubts?
No doubt.
Check once whatever the doubts you have still. Any questions?
Sir, 55.
Hmm?
Sir,
50?
this page only 55th question, sir.
55, huh?
Yes, sir.
Question. What is the question? 40 grams of a sample of carbon on combustion left, 10% of it unreacted. In 40% 40 grams, 10% is unreacted means how much reacted?
90%.
90%. 90% means how much in 40 grams?
30 grams.
Hmm?
30 grams.
40 grams of a sample of carbon on combustion, left 10% of it unreacted. The volume of oxygen required at STP for this combustion reaction is. Okay? First write the equation. C plus O2 CO2. C plus O2 CO2. ಇದು 12 grams. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು volumes? How many moles we have? 22.4 liters. This is according to equation. Okay.
Yes.
In question, 40 grams carbon is given. In that 40 grams carbon, 10% unreacted. Okay, na? So 40 is 100%. 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10 into 40 by 100. Okay, na? 4 grams. ಯಾರು 10 grams ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಬ್ಬರ 10 grams ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 4 grams unreacted. 4 grams unreacted means how much reacted? 36 grams.
36 grams.
Okay, na? 12 grams required 22.4. 36 grams required how much? 36 into 22.4 by 12. That's answer.
67.2 sir.
ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes sir, ಇದೆ fourth option.
ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್
ಹಾ yes sir, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 40 grams of carbon given. 40 grams of carbon, but he is telling all not reacted, only 90% reacted. 90% reacted means 10% unreacted only na. So
Yes.
10% means what in 40 grams? 4 grams. 10% means 4 grams. So 36 grams reacted na. So for 36 grams how much oxygen is required? Okay.
Yes sir, understood.
Okay. So this is about some important tricky questions. Please follow once again all these questions, okay, for the test, objective as well as subjective test. Thank you.
Thank you sir, bye sir.
Any doubts? Impana? Vinaya Gangadhar came yesterday. I think she was absent. Any doubt? Only 2 members are responding. Abhay Jinke, Impana. Remaining, what happened? Srinidhi, Sai Sharan, Sumit Sharma.
No
Sir,
doubt,
I am
sir.
responding.
No doubt, sir.
No
Sir, no
doubt.
doubt.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.